Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the gray notification bell so that you never miss any of these amazing recipes. So let me tell you guys, I have not been posting as frequently. We have some unforeseen issues here at the house that we have to deal with. So it's been taking a lot of my time away from YouTube, but I will post as frequently as possible and as much as I can. So I missed you guys, and I am gladly uploading today. So, oh my God, I'm so happy. So today, guys, I'm making a pineapple upside down jam. This is like the cake magnified times 10. This is delicious. Let's just put the recipe on the side of the screen and get right into it. Okay, so I am halfway through the cooking process, and this is where you want to absolutely add the cinnamon stick and the cloves, because if you add them in the beginning, it will be far too strong of a flavor. You want mild hints of clove and cinnamon, and you don't want this overwhelming. All right, guys, here you have it, pineapple upside down jam. When I tell you that this was fantastic, there is just no other way to say it. Right when you thought that strawberry was gonna be your favorite jam, then I came out with this. Try this. This is not just your standard pineapple jam. This is pineapple upside down jam. It is fantastic. When I tell you, I mean it. I tried it on a hot ham and cheese, and it took my sandwich to another level. So if you guys decide to try this recipe, do tag me and let me know what you thought of it. Tell me if you do anything any different. In the meantime, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys had a fabulous week.